Okay, we're here in Wheatley Harbor at Hike Metal Products, and we're standing aboard the Christopher Wheatley, which is a new 90-foot firefighting vessel we've just built and finishing off for the city of Chicago. To my left here is an elevating platform that goes up 30 feet with the remote control firefighting monitor on it, and it's got enough power to blast brick off the side of a building so they can access fire in behind that. There's an access here for the stern gear and steering gear compartment, the stern end of the boat, and lockers for their firefighting equipment on this back deck. Moving forward, we have another compartment here, which is where they'll be storing all their firefighting apparatus, including couplings, adapters, and the fire hoses. Emergency exit from the engine room, another access to another fire equipment storage room. And on the right side here, we've got, or the port side, is the location where an elevating platform will be deployed in the event they have to retrieve and rescue people in the water. This vessel has a total pumping capacity of about 15,000 gallons, and it's shared between all four monitors at their discretion as to how much water they use out of each monitor. It's got quite an elaborate electronic control system for that purpose. And the wheelhouse has got good visibility, panoramic view, so they don't have any problem in navigating their way through the narrow channels and the river in Chicago.